Good afternoon, my YouTube friends. Monica here with My Wild Style. Remember, God loves you. Today I am making a bunch of dinners so we can just warm them up when we go camping. We're leaving today is Wednesday and we'll be back on Saturday. Let me show you our favorite meatless udon noodles. Here is the ingredients that we'll be using today. I am going to use some hoisin sauce, and I am going to try to make some homemade hoisin sauce. I had to open up this bottle of soy sauce because it was the next in rotation to open. It's not the best, but we use anything when it's not available. A couple of years ago, there was not much available. I love the toasted sesame oil. I'm going to use some hot pepper flakes, and then I'll give you the amounts when I pour them into the container. These are some noodles that I usually get at Walmart. They're $2.89, I believe, or $2.98. And then I get these 6-pack stir fry packages from Sam's Club. So let's get, and we're going to use a half of a small onion. Let's get started. I've got 2 cups of water here. That'll help start loosening those udon noodle packages when you get them open. And to that, I am going to put in that small half of an onion. Okay, the onions are translucent and very fragrant. And I forgot one ingredient. I am going to add about a clove of garlic, about 1 teaspoon. And when you open up your udon noodles, you'll get 2 packages. And I'm going to put both of them in. They make a great lunch if you have leftovers. And this usually feeds 3 of us. My daughter is still here at the house, and we sure enjoy having her home. And since I reduced that liquid down, I like to put enough liquid in that it covers about halfway up the noodles. So that's another cup of water. And as soon as these noodles start heating up, they'll start falling apart. And just keep moving them around. So continue to do that until your noodles get soft and loosened. I'll be back. I'm going to flip them so the other side gets hot. Half the fun is eating these long udon noodles. Taking a while for that water to heat back up since I poured some cold water in there. I'm going to start pouring those sauces in so that way those noodles start soaking it up. This is 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. If you use too much of this, it really is overpowering. This is 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. A couple of shakes of that red pepper flakes. Now I can go in with a bigger spoon and get that incorporated. I'm going to pour in my vegetables. So I am going to add in another tablespoon of hoisin sauce. I got to turn that around. My arm that I had surgery on does not work very good. Another tablespoon of soy sauce. And I'll link the finished recipe under the drop down. So just go there when you want this recipe. It's starting to get thick, it's starting to reduce. You know me, waste not, want not. Just scrape every little bit of everything out of any container. Now it's starting to get thick. I'm going to get another spoon and taste it. See how nice and thick this sauce is getting. Much better. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, and this is what really thickens it. And a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. Hey my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll get a picture of it when it's plated up and show you how I serve it, and I'll be right back. Just kidding. I have decided to add about a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. It's just a little bit of salt to offset that sugar. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay guys, I got a small plate for me. I'm gonna add a few sesame seeds on it. What's your favorite way to top your udon noodles? Well, as always, may God bless you and have a